hey, so according to my calculations, including this video, I have 10 more videos before January 1st. And I thought, what can I talk to people about? What can I share? What can I contribute so that people are really ready for 2022? Now, this will be January 1st, our standard New Year. Don't forget that in Chinese New Year, it doesn't come until February, but that's okay. We want to be ready for the first one and then know that we have a little bit of time to catch up before the second one. There's other things we do in particular to get ready for Chinese New Year. Let's do a decluttering challenge before our standard New Year. So this next 10 video series is going to be about key areas that are best to declutter so you have the best Feng Shui flow throughout your home. I'm Jeanette Sizikowski, your go-to Feng Shui consultant. Let's get into it. As many of you know, I moved into my grandmother's home and I have a lot of decluttering to do myself. I have a lot of moving in to do. I have a lot of unpacking to do. I have a lot of breaking down boxes and rearranging, so the Feng Shui is great in here. And I thought, how can I take people with me? But there's also not much to see. You can see there's really cool 1950s furniture and wallpaper. So in terms of like the before and afters and those cool shots, that's not coming just yet. So I was like, what else can I do to take people with me? And I thought, the clutter is here for me. How about we declutter before New Year's? What a great freaking feeling that is gonna be. As a responsible classical Feng Shui consultant, I do have to remind everybody that clutter is not written in the ancient texts of Feng Shui. You're not gonna find decluttering in there, but it is in this modern day translation of Feng Shui. Clutter and decluttering and organization has gotten lumped in with the definition of it. Feng Shui is the study of how your environment affects you. So be choosing a home with good energy already. Clutter and decluttering allows for more of the energy that's already present to flow through. So I just want to have educated consumers here on this channel and educated users of Feng Shui so you guys really know what you're talking about. And yes, we kind of talk about it hand in hand, but I just want to let you know and remind you guys that decluttering is not necessarily a part of it, but we're gonna use it in these videos. By the end of this 10 video series, you are going to be so proud of all the little areas that you had not even thought about decluttering. The first one that I'm going to mention is the hallways. All of your tight hallways and your channels. Think of the hallways in your spaces as like the veins or the blood flowing through the body. You know, the veins and the blood flowing through the body bring you oxygen, bring you life. It's how it flows through you, right? Your blood flows through your veins and channels in your body. Well, the hallways in your home are like those life channels. People carry energy through the hallways as they walk in and out. The hallways are always channeling the energy and connecting the different rooms together energetically. So decluttering the hallways is going to be the first area that I want you guys to look at in this 10-part series. Think of it again as the channels that bring life into your home. And what do blocked arteries do? What do blocked blood do? What do blood clots do? You know, like it makes it harder to feel healthy. Blocked hallways, clogged hallways, cluttered hallways make it harder for this environmental chi, this environmental life energy to flow through all your different spaces and uplift your space. It makes it more difficult when the hallways are jammed with papers and boxes to bring this abundant prosperity energy to your home. So as you're going through the hallways, if you have a lot going on, look at your main hallway. What's going on in your main hallway? Do you have boxes sitting on the ground that you need to take to recycling? That was my biggest one since moving into this home. I was just kind of piling all the recycling in the hallway and I needed to break down all the boxes. And even though I kept them there for a while, I was like, oh my gosh, at least just put these in the garage. Stop. Take your own advice, Jeanette, and take this stuff, take it out of the hallways because it creates a more overwhelming feeling than necessary when this clutter and this buildup builds up in the hallways in particular. It's very interesting. Notice what it feels like after you remove that from your hallways. Now let's say that you already have pretty good hallways. Maybe they're already pretty clean and organized. What's your artwork like? Do you have like a ton of family photos? Do you have a ton of like gallery wall stuff? Are they straightened? Are they hanging right? Are some of them broken? Are some of them of pictures of people that like you don't really like anymore, or that maybe have put a bad taste in your mouth and you've grown from that relationship, right, onto something new? Check out the photos in these gallery walls on your hallway walls and see if the photos are up to date, see if the frames are straightened, dust those. So this is for the people who don't have a lot to declutter, right? Don't have a lot to take out of the hallways. Their hallways are pretty open already, but we want to look at the hallways for everybody. This is the first area in the series that we're checking. Dust all of the frames, dust the shelves in the hallway. Often we just walk in and out of these hallways all the time and we do not even think about all the energy we're leaving behind, all the energy we're stirring up. We don't even, we clean our bedroom, we make our bed, we clean the kitchen. Oftentimes we're forgetting the hallway lights, the hallway pictures. We're forgetting to dust them. Clean that up if you don't have a lot of shoes to put away, coats to put away, recycling boxes that are building up in trash bags in the hallway. This is your first task in this 10-part series. Your home is gonna feel so amazing after these 10 videos. Videos come out every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So subscribe now so that you can join in on this 10 video series. You have 48 hours for each step, and then on Saturdays you have Saturday to Tuesday. So this is a really good self-paced video series to have your home decluttered. We're doing it together and we're gonna feel so good by January, and you want to be a part of that process. You want to be along for the ride. So subscribe now, hit that notification bell at the bottom there, and it'll alert you every time a video comes out from this channel. Like this video if you are excited. Comment below if you're in. Comment below if you're excited to participate in this 10-part video. Is it a challenge? Is it a series? Is it a level up? I'll think of a catchy name for it. Comment below if you're ready and excited to go. Thank you. I know I'm excited. I'm excited to have people along for the ride with me. I will see you in the next video.